What's up guys? In this video I am going to show you how to get your Bluehost and Divi theme started and installed. So let's go. I'll show you how to install the theme that I use on most of my websites. I actually use it on all my websites. So I'm going to show you how to do it as a fresh install. And down in the comments you'll be able to get that theme as well, and you'll know exactly what to do with it. If you don't have hosting, I've got a link for you there as well. Hope you enjoyed. Let's go. So this is a fresh install at Bluehost. So Bluehost, go ahead and connect your domain to it. You can see this one's temporary, but we're going to work with it right now. So we're just going to log in. And then while we're waiting on that, we're going to go over to our theme, and we're going to go to My Downloads, and we want to download the theme. And while the theme's downloading, we want to go over here to username and API key, and we're going to generate a new API key. I like to give it a name. So this API key is what I will use to verify it. So Bluehost is going to make me go through the motions. So I'm just going to go through the motions. They're going to install something, and then I'm going to override it. You can turn all this stuff off. I would keep Yoast. Yoast is cool. Alright. So it takes a second. There we go. So now I can go to Appearance and Themes and Upload. And then I'm going to choose my file, and I'm going to select the zip file that I just downloaded. So it'll be in my downloads. List it by order. There we go. Hit install. That takes just a second. That's going to install the theme. We're going to activate the theme. And then we're pretty much set. We just need to put the API key in there. So we will scroll down here to Divi. And I'll go back and I'll get my API key. So over here we do integrations. I guess it would be updates. So we put our API key in there, and then I go back and I get my username. If you don't know what your username is, you can find it the same way I am by just clicking on account. And it should tell me what my username is. Username, there you go. So I'm going to copy my username, put that in there, and save it. So now we are set with the theme as far as moving forward. The theme is activated, it's ready to build out. So we'll start by building out the first page real fast just to get it started. So we will go to our settings, and then we'll click on reading, and we want to make sure that we have home page selected as a static page. You'll see it's got these other pages. I'm going to go in there and delete those. So we don't necessarily want all those, so I'm going to delete those. I'm going to leave the blog page because we can hook that up too. I'm going to leave the privacy policy because we might need that later. So I'm going to move all these to the trash. And then while I'm thinking about it, I'm going to connect the blog page too. So you go back here to settings and reading. And you can see right here it says post page. We're just going to pick blog. So what that means is it will connect that page and pull all the blog posts when you have blog posts. Now that we have that, we're going to go to our home page, and we're going to start using our theme. So I'm just going to click view. That's going to take us to the front end. And we want to click Enable Visual Builder. And if you're not familiar with what we're going for, I will show you. Here's the end result. So this is using the exact same theme. See, it's very basic. It's got a header, it's got a footer down here, and then you fill in the middle. So I'm going to show you how to get that started. So over here, we're going to, we don't want to take the tour. We're going to do start building. It's going to pop up and it's going to let me pre-select a theme. So I'm going to find one that I like. We're going to do browse layouts. You can change it and play around with it and do whatever you like. You have so many options to go through. You got like 2,400 different varieties of it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to select one and install it. So I'm going to do the dental office. I'm going to say use this layout, import, and then that's going to basically install that page so I can start editing it. And there you have it. In just a couple seconds, we are set and ready to start going. So you always want to save it because we just loaded it in. And now from here I can go into my Divi settings. And right here I can upload my logo. So this is going to be a real estate website. So we're just going to search for real. Pretty sure I have a real logo somewhere. There we go. We got a real logo, and I actually have a newer one, but we can use this one. So we'll select it. Set it as logo, make sure that it's saved, and then next we want to go to appearance and menus. And menu is where we're going to set up our top nav menu. So we don't have one, we're going to call this one header menu. And then we're going to say that's our primary menu. And now from here we can just build out our structure. So you see we have home and we have blog. We're going to add those in. And there we go. So we're going to save it. And that will conclude this tutorial. You can see how we've updated it. And then basically you can just go through here and modify each and every piece to your liking. So in recap, we installed the Divi theme on Bluehost. You can install it on any WordPress host. Link is down below to get the Divi theme. Link is down below to get Bluehost if you're interested. If you need help with any of that, reach out to me. Got my email down there too. Hope you have an awesome day. Here we go.